We transform. We create. We don't want to make over-the-top show bikes, but original bikes, created by craftsmen. Since the birth of the Wrenchmonkees almost a decade ago, our machines now roam free around the world. They're all different builds, personalized, unique. We cross refinement with coarseness, never giving in on quality. We strip it down to its bare essentials, but keep its identity. We only highlight what it was naturally given, what it deserves to be seen as. The bike is its own. You don't just choose it, it chooses you. You evolve together till it becomes a part of you. You become one. That's why we always give it our all. Every little part, every tool, every weld becomes essential. The first trip on a new build is always a special moment. That's what it's all about in the end. The ride.